Sagutan natin tong problem. Evaluate the integral of 2 sine x over sine 2x dx. So, pwede natin gamitan ng identity itong double angle for sine. So, pwede siyang maging integral ng 2 sine x dx over, we know that the identity for sine 2x is equal to 2 sine x times cosine x. And then, pwede nyong i-simplify, cancel out the 2 and sine x. So, matitira is integral ng 1 over cosine x dx. Okay? So, applying reciprocal identity, yung 1 over cosine x is equal siya sa secant x dx. Okay, so actually standard integral formula na to, yung integral ng secant x dx. Pero kung gusto nating i-derive, ang gagawin natin is pwede nating i-multiply both numerator and denominator nitong secant x by secant x plus tan x over secant x plus tan x dx. Okay? Then, distribute nyo tong secant x sa taas. So, magiging secant x times secant x secant squared x. And then, secant x times tan x magiging secant x times tan x. Then, over secant x plus tan x dx. Pwede tayong gumamit ng u substitution ngayon. Let u be equal to the denominator na secant x plus tan x. Tapos, get the derivative ng u du. Derivative ng secant x, that's secant squared x. Secant x tan x. Baliktad. Then, plus the derivative ng tan x, that's secant squared x dx. Okay? And then, notice na na-produce natin yung term na yan, itong secant squared x plus secant x tan x dx sa original integral. Therefore, pag sinubstitute natin mamaya, du na lang siya. Okay? So, substituting magiging integral ng, so secant squared x plus secant x tan x dx nga is equivalent to du over yung secant x plus tan x, u na lang. So, we know na ang integral ng du over u, that's yielding natural logarithm, right? So, that's ln of u plus c. And then, final step is, ibabalik natin yung u as secant x plus tan x. So, final answer is ln ng u, which is secant x plus tan x plus c. Okay, kayo naman, try to evaluate the integral of 2 cosine x dx over sine 2x and just comment your answers.